Oregano, that little green leaf that often adorns our favorite dishes, is much more than just a simple seasoning. Today, I invite you to dive into the fascinating world of oregano, an herb packed with history, flavor, and health benefits that has captured kitchens and hearts around the globe. Let's begin our journey on the sun-drenched slopes of the Mediterranean, where oregano grows wild, perfuming the air with its distinctive aroma. Its name comes from ancient Greek. Oros means mountain, and ganos means beauty. Thus, the Greeks referred to this plant as the beauty of the mountain, paying tribute to its presence in mountainous landscapes and the joy it brought to those who found it. In ancient Greece and Rome, oregano was much more than a culinary ingredient. It was used in ceremonies as a symbol of happiness and believed to protect against evil. Greek brides and grooms wore crowns of oregano to attract good fortune and prosperity in their marriage. The Romans, in turn, incorporated it into their cuisine and spread it throughout their empire, making it a staple of Mediterranean cooking. Over the centuries, oregano crossed borders and oceans, adapting to new lands and cultures. In the Middle Ages, it was attributed with magical and medicinal properties, and it was commonly found in the gardens of monks and apothecaries. Its popularity grew even more when, after World War II, American soldiers discovered it in Italy and brought it back home, where it quickly became an essential ingredient for pizza and other Italian-American dishes. Thus, oregano established itself as one of the most beloved and widely used herbs in global cuisine. But oregano conquers not only with its flavor, but also with its remarkable health benefits. This little leaf conceals a true treasure trove of bioactive compounds. It is particularly rich in antioxidants, substances that help combat damage caused by free radicals in the body and are associated with preventing premature aging and various diseases. Among its most notable components are carvacrol and thymol, two essential oils with powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect our bodies against infections and reduce internal inflammation, which can be beneficial for individuals with digestive or joint issues. Additionally, oregano is well known for promoting digestion. Its essential oils stimulate bile production, facilitating the breakdown of food and preventing discomforts like bloating or acidity. Furthermore, some studies suggest that oregano may strengthen the immune system, helping the body defend itself better against viruses and bacteria. If you're looking for a natural way to add flavor to your dishes without resorting to salt, oregano is an excellent option, perfect for those wanting to manage their blood pressure or reduce sodium intake. Incorporating oregano into your daily diet is simple and delicious. This herb is incredibly versatile and can be used both fresh and dried, depending on the recipe and the desired outcome. Dried oregano has a more concentrated and earthy flavor, making it perfect for sauces, stews, and dishes that require prolonged cooking. On the other hand, fresh oregano offers a more intense and vibrant aroma, ideal for salads, freshly baked pizzas, or as a finishing touch on meats and fish. Did you know that you can also make infusions with oregano? A simple cup of hot water with a few oregano leaves can soothe digestive discomfort and help you relax after a meal. Additionally, growing oregano at home is very easy. All you need is a pot, well-drained soil, and a sunny spot. This way, you'll always have fresh leaves on hand for your recipes while enjoying an aromatic plant that will beautify your kitchen or balcony. In the kitchen, the possibilities with oregano are virtually endless. It's the star ingredient of pizza, but also enhances the flavor of pastas, meats, fish, soups, and stews. Add it to a tomato sauce to boost flavor, sprinkle it over roasted potatoes, or incorporate it into a vinaigrette for salads. You can even mix it with other herbs like thyme, rosemary, or basil to create unique aromatic blends. Remember that fresh oregano is best added at the end of cooking to preserve its flavor, while dried oregano can withstand long cooking times without losing its aroma. And if you are a lover of fine dining and passionate about discovering new flavors, there is a place in Madrid where oregano takes center stage in every dish. Cantina 33. Located at Calle Campomanes 5, Cantina 33 is the perfect destination for those seeking an authentic gastronomic experience, where the quality of ingredients and creativity in the kitchen come together to offer you unforgettable recipes. At Cantina 33, oregano is not just a seasoning, it is a tribute to Mediterranean tradition and a passion for good eating. Each dish is carefully crafted to highlight the flavor and aroma of oregano, from fresh appetizers to main courses brimming with character. So, if you want to experience the delicious flavor of oregano in its fullest expression, we invite you to visit Cantina 33. Come and be surprised by our recipes, enjoy a cozy atmosphere, and discover why oregano is so much more than just a simple herb. Its history, health, and flavor in every bite. We look forward to seeing you at Cantina 33, Calle Campomanes 5, Madrid. Don't miss out.